Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can enable 5G network when it is not working, how it can automatically shift to 4G network. Before proceeding the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. So let's start. First you have to just go to the settings option in your smartphone, then you have to go to mobile networks. You can search also, then go to more settings. You can see friends, there is a smart 5G option, automatically switch between 5G and 4G to reduce battery consumption. Turn it on, and now when the network is busy or not working, it automatically shifts to 4G to reduce battery consumption. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. Thanks for watching.